Some things shine so brightly that they blind us. They sparkle just enough to make us believe they will save us. But life has a quiet truth, often learned too late. All that glitters is not gold. This is the story of a man who chased shine and found wisdom instead. In a growing city full of noise and lights lived a man named Arjun. Arjun believed success should be visible. If people could not see it, touch it, admire it, then it didn't count. He admired expensive watches, luxury cars, homes with glass walls and bright lights. When Arjun walked past them, his heart beat faster. "One day," he whispered, "that will be my life." Arjun worked hard, but he worked with impatience. He didn't want slow progress. He wanted results people could notice. So whenever something looked impressive, he followed it. A new business trend, a fast-growing company, an opportunity everyone was talking about. If it shined, he trusted it. One evening, Arjun met an old school friend at a cafe. The friend arrived in a polished car, wearing a confident smile. "Life looks good," Arjun thought. "I found something big," the friend said. "It's growing fast, easy money. You should join." Arjun hesitated for a moment, but the numbers looked beautiful. The promises sounded perfect, and most importantly, it glittered. So Arjun invested. At first, everything sparkled. His phone buzzed with good news, returns increased, people congratulated him. Arjun felt taller, lighter. For the first time, he felt ahead. He bought things he didn't need to prove something he didn't feel yet: confidence. But shine never lasts forever. Slowly, replies came late. Meetings were postponed. Excuses grew longer. Then one morning, the messages stopped. The company vanished. So did Arjun's savings. Silence filled his days. The same city lights still glowed, but they felt colder now. Arjun felt embarrassed, angry, ashamed. "How could I be so foolish?" he asked himself. He avoided people, avoided mirrors. The shine he chased had left him empty. One evening, Arjun walked without direction. He ended up in an old market on the edge of the city. No bright signs, no loud voices, just small shops and patient hands. He stopped near a tiny stall where an elderly goldsmith worked quietly. The man held a dull piece of metal, testing it carefully. Arjun watched for a while. "That doesn't look valuable," Arjun said. The goldsmith smiled. "Because it hasn't been cleaned yet," he replied. He placed the metal into fire. It darkened. It looked worse. Arjun frowned. "You're ruining it." The goldsmith shook his head. "No," he said softly. "I'm removing what doesn't belong." After some time, the gold emerged brighter, stronger, not loud, not flashy, but real. The goldsmith looked at Arjun. "Shine can be painted," he said. "Gold must be tested." Those words stayed with Arjun. That night, Arjun reflected. He realized something painful. He never tested what he chased. He only admired how it looked. He wanted results without depth, success without struggle, gold without fire. So he decided to change, quietly. Arjun stopped chasing fast wins. He took a simple job, not impressive, not shiny, but honest. He learned slowly, saved carefully, He read more than he spoke, observed more than he showed. Progress felt invisible, but it felt steady. Months passed. Arjun noticed a strange peace. He no longer compared his life to what others displayed. He slept better, thought clearer. He understood now. What shines quickly often fades quickly. What grows slowly lasts. Years later, Arjun built something of his own. Small, strong. No headlines, no applause, but it survived storms. When others asked him for advice, he didn't talk about money. He spoke about patience, about looking deeper, about asking hard questions before trusting beautiful promises. Here is the truth most people learn too late. Shine attracts attention, but value builds life. Some things look rich, but leave you poor. Some paths look slow, but lead you far. If you are chasing something because it looks perfect, pause, look closer. Ask yourself, is this gold or just glitter? Because in the end, only what is real will remain when the shine fades. If this story touched you, share it with someone who feels pulled by appearances. And remember, fire reveals gold. Time reveals truth.